Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. For those of you, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I am back with M.A.P, my automatic pay. Okay, I want to show you guys that you can actually market this program offline as well. I know we talk a lot about promoting it online using solo ads and whatnot, or social media, but you can actually just mail postcards for this program as well. So I want to show that to you, but before I do, I want to just show you this website. This is a website that we all get. With this program, you're able to make $247 instant commissions over and over. Okay. They provide done-for-you traffic packages as an option. It's not required, but it's an option, and it's already in your members area. And it's very easy for you just to click a button, order your traffic, give the vendor your capture page link, and let them send visitors to your website. Okay. That's a easy way to do it. But for those of you that want to market it offline, I'm going to show you the postcards as well. But this site, guys, does an amazing job. It does all the selling and telling for you right here on this page. Here's a video right here that explains the program. Not to mention, as you can see, this website is very clear, precise, and it does a great job. They keep it simple. They show you how the system works, what's going to be included. Of course, you get a whole turnkey system, the sales funnel, the autoresponder emails are going to go out on your behalf. You're paid member to member here. The company's not going to send you a check. You're going to be paid directly from the person that joins you, paid instantly, $247 any way you want. It includes digital products with this program. Okay, they have the marketing products, and then they have health products, all in a digital format. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, they have the done-for-you traffic packages that you can select from, and you're paid any way you want. Okay, they keep this very newbie friendly. If you're new to internet marketing or new to affiliate marketing, this is a perfect program for you because everything is under one umbrella. Okay, very simple, 3 steps. Join the program, pay $33 one time. All this is a one-time investment. $33 is for your system, for the admin. Okay, this keeps your website and all the training up to date. You pay $247 to the person that you're joining. Second step is set up your payment options. How do you want to get paid? Okay, all this is in the members area. Step 2, and then step 3. Pick your traffic package. Okay, you break even on your first sale because you make $247 per sale. So when your first person signs up with you, you just made your $247 back. Okay, anything after that is profit. All right, very simple. Click this button here, create your account, make your payments. You're going to receive an email from me once you get started, a welcome email, and I'm also going to run your first traffic campaign. So make sure you send me your link, okay, so that I can do that. And I want to show you there's 2 capture pages, by the way. I'm going to use a capture page from the back office for the postcards, but there's 2 sales pages too, guys. Okay, so let me show you where you get your link so that you can send that to me when you sign up so that I can run your first traffic campaign. And then I'm going to show you those 2 pages so you can switch this stuff up. Okay, so let me show you something real quick. Okay, right here. Now, every 24 hours, this changes right here. All these numbers, those are your analytics. They're going to change every 24 hours. All right, but right here it says your referral link. This is the link I want you to email to me so that I can get your traffic package set up. All right, now let me show you these capture pages that I'm talking about. Okay, it's 2 of them. Hang on. Okay, so here's 2 capture pages. Here's one. Okay, and then let me show you the other one. Okay, and here's the other one. Now there's 2 sales pages as well. Okay, So let me show you. So when I do the postcard mailing, I'm going to use this page. Let me show you. I'm going to use this page, but it's going to go to the other sales page. Okay, so let me show you the other sales page that we have. We have two of those. Okay, we have this sales page right here. As you can see, that's one. And then we have another one that you may not have seen before, and that's the one that I'm going to use for the postcards. Now, this is the other sales page that they have. What happens with this one is the video presentation, when they press play here, is going to come up. And then once this timer goes all the way to 0, the remainder of the page will actually come up. Okay, so it's different than the other one. See, it looks like this. It's like a half page, and it will reveal after this countdown. So I thought that was pretty cool. So this is the one I want to use for the postcards. Okay, so that will be a different look for people that may not have seen this program before. That's why I like it, because it's a little bit different. So at any rate, just decide which ones you want to use, and you can use, go in your membership area and you'll see those 2 capture pages. You'll see those 2 sales pages. Okay, if you have any questions after you get started, feel free to reach out to me. All right, so now let me show you where you go to order your postcards if you want to do offline marketing. Okay, so once you log into your members area, click resources and products, and as you can see right here, you will see postcards right here. Right, so you just click there, come down, and you'll see the different postcard templates. So you just decide which one you want. Take a look at them here. Okay, and it explains right here how much they're going to cost you, and you just fill out this information and click here to order your postcards. Okay, and then you also can click this button to order your leads, the names and addresses of people that's interested in making money online. See right here, and here are the prices. Now when you get started with me, I also have a vendor for printing your cards, and I have other lead sources. So I'll be sending you my resources as well, in addition to what you're going to get here. So everything, guys, is right here under one roof. You can order the cards right here, order the leads, all from your back office. Now let me show you the one that I selected. Let me show you my template. Okay, here is my template. Okay, and as you can see right here, this is a hot postcard template. These strange times demand fast payout program. Receive unlimited daily payments while you sleep. You put your domain in here. Pandemic, schmandemic. Our members are getting paid multiple times a day. So this is definitely going to pique their interest, and they're going to go to that site. When they go, they're going to go to the capture page I selected, and my autoresponder will follow up with these folks, guys. So you can use postcard marketing to do this business if you don't want to promote online. We have all the different options available to you. So we have different ways you can do this program. So there you have it, guys. Direct mail marketing with this program. You can do that. Now, if you decide that you want to do the postcards, I will send you leads instead of the traffic. You decide which option you want. So if you decide, hey, you know what, I just want to do postcard marketing, would you mind just sending me leads? And I'll put them on the pill and stick labels, and you want to put them on your postcards. If that's what you want to do, not a problem. I can do that. You decide. All right. Well, thank you so much, guys, for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If this sounds like a program you're interested in, go in the description. The link is in the description. www.besteasyworkincome.com. I look forward to working with you guys. See you on the inside. Stay safe out there. Have a blessed day.